Once again, welcome back here. So here I'm just going to explain you what the constant in PHP. So constant are like variables, except that once they are defined, they cannot be changed or undefined. That is, we have to see over there. And constants are like that their value doesn't change during the execution or of the script or PHP program, we can say that, whereas the value of the variable changes during the execution of the program. Constant basically is a identifier, that is, we have to give a simple value to that. The value cannot be changed during the script. Okay, a valid constant name starts with a letter or underscore, and as like that of variable, we need not to use dollar symbol before that. So how to create the PHP constant? In order to create the PHP constant, we have to use the defined function of the PHP, and this defined function takes 3 parameters in order to declare the constant. If we wanted to create the constant, then we have to use the define function, and the first parameter we have to give the name that we wanted to give to the constant, and then the second parameter is to be given as the value that we wanted to define for that constant, and third is the case insensitiveness. Specify whether the constant name should be case insensitive or not. The default value is false. It means to say that by default the constants are case sensitive. Constants are global, means constants are automatically global and can be used across the entire script. So how we can do with the constant? Let's open our code editor here, and here in the code editor I'm just going to create a new file. Say I'm just giving the name it as constant, and then to extension as PHP. Hit the enter key over here, and I'm just going to copy these content from here. Copy, and I'm just going to paste this here, and after the body I have to close the HTML, and here we have to define our, here we have to write our PHP script, and to this header I'm writing here constants in PHP. Okay, now here we have to write the script. So here we have to use the define keyword for defining the constant. Say I'm just here, first of all we have to give the first parameter added, that is the name of the constant. So say I just wanted to give a name to the constant, say greeting. So I'm giving its name as greeting, and this is the name I have given to the constant, and then I have to give the second parameter. Second parameter has to be separated by the comma here, and here I have to give the value of the second, that is the value that I would like to assign to the greeting. So welcome to my program. Okay, and if we doesn't specify the third parameter, then we have to put the semicolon here in order to terminate this. Now if we wanted to display the value of echo, this variable, constant over here, then we have to write echo, then we have to write greeting over here. And put the semicolon here. Now here we have to save this file here, and then we have to open it in the Explorer, and here we have to give the name of the file, say constant.php. So it might be have certain spell mistakes, so simply just remove this constant from here and simply hit enter after PHP. So we will see the file over there, and its name, some spelling mistake is there. Okay, so if we simply click on this, this will give us the value of the constant, that is welcome to my program. Now here I'm just putting one more thing over here. If I use small g over here, so I'm just making a small changes here, greeting. So what is going to be happen in this case? Save the changes, and here we go in the browser and refresh it. It is saying that greeting is not defined because by default it's case sensitive. Now if we wanted to make it case insensitive, then we have to put its third parameter as a true. Okay, now save the changes here. Now after doing this, here we go and click on the refresh, then we got this output as over here, that is desired. So what we have done this as case insensitive. So this is the way of defining the constant, and this way we have defined a constant with the name of greeting, and to that we have assigned a value welcome to my program, and third parameter we have given true in order to make it as insensitive. So that's all about the constants, and in the next video we will see you with some quiz on what we have learned so far. That's all for now. See you in the next video.